My friend, I'm going to tell you the story of my life, as you wish. And if it were only the story of my life, I think I would not tell it. For what is one man that he should make much of his winters, even when they bend him like a heavy snow? So many other men have lived and shall live that story, to be grass upon the hills. It is the story of all life that is holy and is good to tell, and of us two-leggeds sharing in it with the four-leggeds and the wings of the air and all green things. For these are children of one mother, and their father is one spirit. Black Elk Speaks, 1932. It's these quiet moments I can fully recognize how grateful and lucky I am to be alive and well. Passes, people move, like a river's flow, it never ends. A childish mind will turn to noble ambition, young love will become deep affection. The clear water's surface reflects growth. Now listen to the serenade of water and reflect upon yourself. Ocarina of Time, 1998. you.